Good morning, students. Today in class 12, we are going to discuss some questions based on differential equation, solution of a differential equation of the first type, variable separable. So, see, we have already discussed the solution of variable separable. So, this is the question. Find the particular solution of the differential equation. Find the particular solution of the differential equation dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to minus 4x y square. Given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. Given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. This one is also given as y0 is equals to 1. Sometimes use this particular notation, okay? y0 is equals to 1. That means at x is equal to 0, y should be 1. Y is equals to 1. Now see the solution. This is very easy. Solution, you know, this is variable separable. That means we have to separate the variable. So dy upon y square, and this is nothing but minus 4x dx. We separate the variable. Whatever x we have to put with the dx, and whatever y we have to put with the dy. Okay. Now on integrating both sides, we have we have dy upon y square is equals to integral of minus 4x dx. Clear? So first of all, you note it down. Now see, dy by y square, this is minus y power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is equals to minus of 4x square by 2 and plus c. So we need to find the value of c here, and because of this only the condition is given. Because for particular solution there is no arbitrary constant. So minus y power minus 1 is equals to minus 4x square by 2. This is 2. So this is 2x square and plus c. This is equation number 1. Actually this one is the solution, but we need to find c here. Why? Because condition is given. So when x is equals to 0, y should be 1. So put x is equal to 0. Then y is 1. So minus y power minus 1, that is 1 power minus 1. Okay, this is minus 2 into 0 plus c. So you see here, c is nothing but minus of 1. Okay, see this one, c is equals to minus of 1. Because minus 1 power any power, 1 power any power, 1 to the power any power is 1 only. Okay, so c is equals to what? Minus of 1. Okay, so put this value in the given equation 1, you will get the solution. So if we put this value in the given equation, we have solution, see, minus 1 upon y, see this one, minus 2x square, and this is minus 1. So 1 upon y is nothing but 2x square plus 1. So you can write like this, or y is equal to 1 upon 2x square plus 1. This is the solution of above given differential equation. Okay. y is equals to 2x square plus find the general solution of the differential equation. Next question, find the general solution of the differential equation y log y log y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. We need to find the general solution of this differential equation. So first of all, we write it as y log y dx is nothing but x dy, and this is nothing but dx upon x is equal to dy upon y log y. We have to separate the variables. Okay, variables को क्या किया होगा, separate कर लिया, and now on integrating both sides we have integral of dx upon x is equals to integral of dy upon y log y, and now integrate, this one is nothing but log x is equals to, here log y, let log y is equal to t, then this is 1 upon y, dy is equal to dt. Am I right? So this is nothing but log x is equal to 1 upon y dy, at the place of 1 upon y dy we put dt, and this is nothing but log y is nothing but t. So this is log x is equals to log t plus, okay, whenever we see the log x log t, we put the constant like that. That means we put constant as a log c. Okay, so log x is nothing but, here log x is nothing but log ct. No doubt. Yes. So x is equals to ct simply, and this is nothing but x is equal to c, and t is what? Log y. T is log y. Here see, log y. If you want to calculate more, then we have to put here x by c is equals to log y, then y is equal to e power x by c. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, y is equals to e power x by c. Y is equals to e to the power x by c. So note it down. Next question, example number 12 from your book. Find the equation of 12 NCERT. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 1, 1. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 1, 1, whose differential equation is x dy is equals to 2x square plus 1 dx, where x does not equal to 0. We need to find the equation of curve which is passing through the 1, 1 and whose differential equation is x dy 2x square plus 1 dx. As you know, I already told you that solution of the differential equation is nothing but a given family of curve or a curve. So in this particular solution we have to find the particular solution, not a general solution, because 1, 1 is given. That means this is x and this is y. When x is equal to 1, y is also 1. Okay, so first of all find the solution of this differential equation x dy. So dy is nothing but dy is nothing but 2x square plus 1 dx divided by x. So dy is nothing but 2x square upon x, this is 2x simply dx, and plus 1 upon x dx. Simply we separate it and divide it, okay? So on integrating both sides we will get y is equals to 2x square by 2 plus log x plus c, okay? So 2 cancelled out, y is equals to x square plus log x plus c. Here c is to be determined, that means c is the constant of integration which is determined by the putting the value x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1. Here when x is equal to 1, y should be 1. So 1 is equals to 1 square plus log 1 plus c, and you know this is 0, this is 1 plus 1 plus c, this is cancelled out. So c is nothing but c is equals to 0. So put this value here, we will get y is equals to x square plus log x because of c is equals to 0. So this is the solution of the given differential equation, particular solution of the given differential equation. So note it down. Now one more question, please see. The same type of question. Find the equation of the curve. Example number 13 from NCERT. Okay. In this question also, we need to find the curve. Find the equation of the curve which passes through the point minus 2, 3. Find the equation of the curve which passes through minus 2, 3, given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point xy is 2x by y square. Again, see the question. Find the equation of the curve which passes through the point minus 2, 3. And also what is given here? Given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point xy is 2x upon y square. So the given curve is passes through this, and slope of the tangent and point xy is nothing but dy by dx, and this is given as 2x upon y square. Slope of the tangent is given as 2x upon y square, that is, this is the differential equation which we have given, whose solution is to be found. So this is nothing but dy y square dy is equals to 2x dx, and this is nothing but y cube by 3 is equals to 2x square by 2. If we integrate both sides, and this is and plus c. So y cube is equals to y cube by 3 is equals to x square plus c. As you know, this particular curve passes through the point minus 2, 3. So at the place of x, when x is equals to minus 2, y should be 3. So this is nothing but 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 by 3 is equals to x is minus 2 whole square plus c. So this is 9 4 plus c. So 9 minus 4 5 c. So c is nothing but 5. Put the value of c here, we will get the solution. So y cube is nothing but, see the solution, y cube by 3 is nothing but x square plus 5. So y cube is 3x square plus 15, and this is the solution, particular solution of the given differential equation. So note it down. So thank you for today.